So guys, अभी एक छोटा सा प्लान बना है. I don't know whether we can do it, but good morning guys. Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we are actually going to a short ride very nearby to Bombay. It's a place called Sargent Dam. We are headed there. It's about 76 kilometers from here where I am right now, and it's a great morning. It's a super morning today, Friday morning. So happy Good Friday to everybody. बस अभी हम लोग अभी जस्ट निकले हैं सुबह में. सो टेक्निकली सेइंग वी विल बी रीचिंग देयर इन एन आवर मैक्स. सो सिट बैक गाइज एंड एंजॉय द राइड. या So guys, we have stopped for a breakfast break. We are at a restaurant called Food Highway. It is on the NH48 highway, and we are making good progress. We are around 36 kilometers from our destination. So बस breakfast करना है. Breakfast बहुत भूख लगी है. So पहले breakfast करना है और breakfast के बाद we'll be heading out. सो ब्रेकफास्ट मंगाते हैं और देखते हैं क्या मिलता है ब्रेकफास्ट में. तो हम लोग ने ब्रेकफास्ट कंप्लीट कर दिया है. वी आर अराउंड 45 मिनट्स फ्रॉम द लोकेशन. अनदर 35 किलोमीटर्स टू गो. तो अभी बस यहाँ से निकल रहा है एंड विल बी रीचिंग आवर डेस्टिनेशन इन नो टाइम. सो आई विल सी यू गाइस ऑन द रोड. guys, finally we made it to Sajan Dam. This is the location. Very serene place, nice place to come and just relax. Bikes have been parked over there. Sadly, there was an obstruction in the way, so there were some stones put over there, so we cannot let the bikes come inside, but we have parked the bikes there. And Ajinkya is with me, so me and Ajinkya, we have come walking inside just a little bit. But what a place, dude, what a place. Wow, just look at the place, man. Superb. So silent over here. You can only hear the water and a little bit of the birds or the insects going on. Classic place. I only wish the bikes could have come inside and we could have taken good pictures, but sadly that is not the case. So we'll have to adjust to this right now. So अभी थोड़ा relax करते हैं. Super place, guys. You guys should come here. Nice place to relax. So let's have a look around. So this is the, here you guys already saw the location. Now let's see what is on this side of the camera. So this is how it looks on the other side. It's all forest area. As you can see, bikes are parked right there. And so nice and peaceful. This place is a little offbeat actually. Less people know about it, so coincidentally finding something on the map and came across this location, so it's quite good. I only wish we could have brought the bikes inside, because inside there's a lot of space over here, so you could park your bikes and take good photos, but sadly that is not the case right now. Anyway, थोड़ा सा एक रेलिंग भी है, जाके देखते हैं उधर क्या है. So this is like a small bridge or some kind. This is how it looks. Superb view, right? It looks very good from here. Location is very nice. बहुत ही peaceful location है, very peaceful, and not a lot of people come here. Like I said, very few people know about this place, but coincidentally we made it here, so it was nice coming to this location. We just had like breakfast first and then we made our way here. So I'll be sharing the route with you guys. If you guys want to go, you can always make it to this place, but please don't pollute the place. Don't throw garbage, your plastics. Don't do that. If you guys do that, then environment को फिर damage हो जाता है यार. There are some places which are conserved, and this is when we entered there was a board called Sajan Nature Reserve. Sorry. So it's a nature reserve, guys. So when you come here, you got to act accordingly. You got to respect the place, You got to keep it clean. So don't pollute it, guys. Just come here, enjoy the scenery, take good photographs, take good videos, and then you can go home with good memories. So this is a short ride, guys. It was nice to come here on a Friday morning. It's around 9:15, 9:20 in the morning right now, and yeah, so it's quite relaxing. अभी थोड़ा धूप भी आ गया है, so थोड़े टाइम में we'll pack up and make our way back. चलो then guys, I'll see you guys when we load the bikes again. Guys, अभी एक छोटा सा plan बना है. I don't know whether we can do it, but we want to take the bikes inside. There's a great area, there's a great flat area like I showed you, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग बाइक्स थोड़ा अंदर ले सकते हैं. We can take good pictures and take it out once again. बाइक को घुमा भी लेंगे because that area is very steep. वो ऐसा चढ़ान है, it's like this, and the camera is not doing justice when I show you guys over there. So it's quite steep. तो बाइक को वापस रिवर्स लेना will be very difficult. So that is also one more purpose why we want to do this. अब ये होगा कि नहीं होगा is a very big question. तो हम लोग देख रहे थे. There were some people over here like I told you before. Now they have just left. So we think कि why not make good use of the opportunity. तो हम लोग वो करने वाले हैं. Let's see whether we can do it or not. So guys, we got the bikes in. अभी एक जल्दी फोटो निकालते हैं और यहाँ से निकलते हैं. See you guys on the road. So guys, we are heading back home. It was great. I know we broke some rules by removing the stone and going inside but taking photo, but who just leaves just like that यार. मतलब ही नहीं बनता ना यार. बाइक अंदर खड़े रख के फ़ोटो लेने में जो जो मज़ा है वो वसूल हो गया ना. Completely worth it. And I'm glad we did that. It was awesome, it was fun, it was great, and we did it. That is the best part. So Instagram पे अच्छे photos आने वाले हैं from this ride. So guys, go to Instagram, follow and like the photos, comment on the photos, comment on this video. If you have been here, I want to know about it. As you can see, there are a lot of private villas in this area. It's quite nice, very nice actually. बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है. This is very good. But like I said guys, when you are here, it's a nature reserve. Please respect the rules of the nature reserve. Don't pollute the environment by throwing plastics and by throwing some garbage over here, paper bags or whatever. Don't do that. Because we saw in the water there was a lot of plastic bottles and stuff inside, which plastic bags and all that. It doesn't look good guys. फिर problem आ जाता है when it comes to people coming and visiting. So that's how it is. So this is that place. Now we are heading back home. We are on the way. Woohoo, watermelon. It's a good place to have some watermelon juice or something. चलो guys, enjoy the road back home. I know कि ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं देखने के लिए, but look at the road. I mean, रास्ते पे this is the fun part. This is where most of us enjoy this journey because of the road, and this particular road, I don't know whether you guys can hear me. This particular road actually connects to Nashik, actually direct. I mean, this is a road that connects to Nashik. Anyway guys, enjoy the journey. we have taken a small halt. It's at a place called Pure Veg. I think Hotel Maxis करके कोई नाम है. We are stopping here for a small cup of tea or a cold drink because we just want to stop. It's really hot. It's I think it's around 11:30 or something. एक बार time देख लेते. I didn't see the time. It is about, oh sorry, it's only 10:45. Sorry, it's around 11 o'clock. Sorry. So we'll have some refreshments and then we will be heading home. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so see you guys inside when we order for some cold drink or something. Let's see what we get.